In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get HubSpot form embed code. First, you need to sign in to HubSpot. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then click the Sign In button. This is an important step because it gives you access to all your marketing tools and forms. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Here, you can manage all your marketing efforts effectively. Next, go to Marketing and then select Forms from the drop-down menu. This action takes you to the Forms section of HubSpot. You will see a list of all the forms you have created. Each form plays a crucial role in gathering leads and engaging with your audience. By navigating to this section, you are getting ready to find the specific form you wish to embed. The layout is user-friendly, so you should have no trouble locating your forms. Once in the Forms section, find the form you want to embed. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have many forms. Finding the correct form is essential because it ensures that you are embedding the right tool on your website. This step helps you maintain consistency in your marketing strategy. Take your time to look for the form that meets your needs. Now click on Actions or the drop-down menu next to the form. This will reveal several options related to the form you selected. The Actions menu is where you can manage your form settings, including sharing and embedding options. It's designed to give you quick access to all necessary actions for the form. This makes managing your forms much more efficient. From the Actions menu, select Share. Doing this will open up a new set of options related to sharing your form. It's a straightforward step but very important as it sets the stage for you to access the embed code. By selecting Share, you are indicating that you want to distribute your form, which is critical for driving traffic and capturing leads. Next, choose Embed Code. This action will present you with the HTML code you need to embed the form on your website. Understanding this step is vital because the embed code is what allows your form to function outside of HubSpot. It ensures that your form is accessible to visitors on your site, which is essential for collecting data effectively. Finally, click Copy to copy the code. Make sure you see a confirmation that the code has been copied to your clipboard. This step is crucial because you will need this code to paste it into your website. By copying the code, you ensure that all the settings and design elements of your form are retained, providing a seamless user experience on your site. Now you are ready to embed your HubSpot form on your website. Each step you completed has prepared you to successfully share your form with your audience. Remember, embedding forms is an excellent way to increase engagement and capture leads. With these steps, you can streamline your marketing efforts effectively. Thank you for following along and happy embedding.